Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You cannot remove Roblox chat filters, and I won't help bypass safety systems. Instead, start by securing your account. Verify your email and enable two-step authentication so you control access. Once done, set your account age and adjust chat and privacy levels to match what you want to share. Make sure friend permissions are restricted to reduce unwanted messages. These initial actions protect you and improve the quality of interactions while staying within Roblox rules. You should rely on Roblox's official channels to communicate safely. Use group chats and private messages for controlled conversations, and learn each game's in-game messaging tools because they often offer moderated options. Once you join a group, set roles and permissions to limit who can talk. If you encounter filtered or abusive content, report it through the in-game report abuse flow so moderators can review. This approach preserves community standards and helps Roblox improve moderation accuracy. If you believe a moderation action or filter is incorrect, submit an appeal to Roblox support and explain the issue clearly. Provide evidence, timestamps, usernames, and screenshots to speed review. Once submitted, make sure to adjust local settings, block offending users, and temporarily limit chat until resolved. If changes don't take effect, double-check account verification and try again. This preserves safety and follows platform rules while giving you a path to resolve false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.